And last but not least, the 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible, Inca Silver and India Ivory, which is a really unusual color combination, which I like a lot.
Yeah.
Over ivory and charcoal, but it's got a 454 horsepower, 454 crate V8.
There you go.
So this thing's got all the power that you need.
All right.
Willwood four-wheeled power disc, because you need those to stop all that
That's
way.
right.
Stunning drop top Tri-5. I can't speak today, and tons of new parts on this car. So those are some of the new arrivals we have this week.